That is what you're going to build. A real working web application, real listings, real images, a working form that saves data, a live URL that anyone in the world can open. By the end of this course, you will have built exactly this. I'm J.M. Acera, and this is Web Systems and Technologies. In this video, I'm going to show you the full map, where we start, where we end, and how we get there, one step at a time. This is the home page. It shows all the items posted by students, textbooks, gadgets, school supplies. Think of it like Facebook Marketplace, but built by and for students on your campus. When you click an item, you see the full listing, a photo, a price, a description. And this form, when you fill it out with the item title, price, category, description, and photo. Then submit. Your item appears on the home page. Real data, saved to a real database. And this URL, you can send it to anyone. It works on any device. It lives on the internet. This is the student marketplace system. This is your final project. And every single feature you just saw, you will build it yourself piece by piece across 8 modules. I want to be upfront with you. This course will challenge you. There will be moments where the code does not work and you do not know why. There will be moments where something new looks confusing and your first instinct is to close the laptop. That is completely normal. That is part of the process. Here is what I need you to understand. Every developer, every professional who builds apps for a living, started exactly where you are. They did not understand it on day one. They pushed through confusion. And eventually, things clicked. Your job is not to understand everything perfectly right away. Your job is to keep moving forward. Here is a complete map for this course. Module 1, Orientation. That is this video. You are seeing the destination first. Module 2, Build the Marketplace UI. We create the visual shell of the app using HTML and CSS. By the end, you will have a good-looking listings page. Module 3, Make it interactive. We add JavaScript, so the app responds when you click and type. By the end, the form will actually do something. Module 4, Hitting the Wall. We discover the real limitations of what we build. This module exists to create a question. How we fix this? Module 5, Why frameworks exist. We answer that question. You will understand exactly why tools like Next.js were invented before you use one. Module 6, the Next.js upgrade. We upgrade the marketplace to Next.js, not starting over, upgrading. The same app, built the professional way. Module 7, Real Data. We connect a real database. Your listings will survive page refreshes. The marketplace will work like an actual application. Module 8, Deploy and Ship. We put the app on the internet. Image uploads. Live URL. Done. 8 modules. One app that grows more powerful each time. You always know where you are on this map. One more thing before we go. The way you think about yourself matters in this course. You are not just a student trying to pass. You are a developer building a real product. Those are different mindsets. The student waits to be given answers. The developer experiments, breaks things, figures things out. From this point forward, when something goes wrong, that is not failure. That is debugging. It is what developers do every single day. Your student marketplace will be in your portfolio when this course is done. It is something you can show at a job interview. Something real that you built, that works. That is the goal, not the grade. The ability to build. Before the next video, one small task. Open Facebook Marketplace on your phone. or computer, browse any listing. Then write down one question about how it works. For example, where does the listing image come from? How does the site know who you are? Where is the price stored? There is no correct answer, just your honest curiosity. Bring that question to your next class session. By Module 7, you will be able to answer it yourself. That is Module 1. No code yet, just a vision. The next video, Module 2, Build a Marketplace UI, is where we start. You will write your first HTML and see your first web page appear on your own screen. See you there.